I think at the Child Neurology Society meeting at Charlotte here, the overall message is just trying to get all the updates and recent developments in the field of spinal muscular atrophy, especially the fact that we now have 2 approved treatments. And I think this is a good venue for child neurologists to know what these treatments are. But I think it's also a good place to advocate for the whole newborn screening part of spinal muscular atrophy. And child neurologists can get a perspective on why that is important as we go forward with these clinical trials and treatment options.
So this meeting doesn't focus on SMA. These are general child neurologists. Many of them are starting to learn a bit more about SMA as it becomes more prominent with the introduction of new therapies. But what we have learned from this meeting is some of the real-world experience of nusinersen. We've also seen some of the follow-up data from the nusinersen clinical trials, and we're starting to see some more clinical data that's coming from the gene therapy clinical trials.
So it's an interesting time for me as a pediatric neuromuscular specialist now with this era of spinal muscular atrophy treatments. We have 2 FDA-approved treatments available for spinal muscular atrophy, which is a devastating disease which we had no treatment for until a couple of years ago. And I think right now the main message that I'm getting from this conference on spinal muscular atrophy treatments is all physicians, pediatricians, and child neurologists should be aware of what this condition is, and they should keep that in mind when they see kids with developmental delays and prompt referral to the pediatric neurologist or neuromuscular specialist for treatment, because the early treatment is better outcome. So I think awareness and education among us, among the pediatricians, among the pediatric neurologists is the key thing.